This tool is useful when you notice a real-life problem around you and think, wait, this could actually become a research topic. In this video, I'm going to use cited evidence to create a full social science research proposal based on a very common student life issue. Before we start, subscribe if you want more tutorials on research proposals, thesis writing, literature reviews, and systematic review workflows. First, open Google and search cited evidence. Click the official website. Once it opens, create an account. If you already have one, just log in. Once you are logged in, I'll put the link in the description so you can open cited evidence and try this workflow with your own topic too. Now from the dashboard, open the research agent. For this example, I'm going to use the topic Relationship between social support and academic stress among first-year university students. This is a strong social science topic because it focuses on a real situation. First-year students often deal with new classes, new routines, pressure, loneliness, and academic expectations. Social support may play an important role in how they handle stress. Once I submit it, the research agent starts generating the proposal step by step. It creates the structure, searches for relevant academic sources, adds citations, and organizes the proposal into sections. Now the proposal is ready. Let's open the document. At the beginning, we have the title page. Then we have the abstract, which summarizes the topic, population, variables, and research purpose. Now I'll open the introduction. This section explains why academic stress is common among first-year university students and how social support from friends, family, classmates, and teachers may influence their adjustment to university life. Next, I'll open the literature review. This section organizes previous research around academic stress, emotional support, peer support, family support, student adjustment, and mental well-being. This is useful because social science writing needs a strong connection between real human experiences and academic evidence. Now let's open the problem statement. This section explains the core issue. Many first-year students experience stress, but not all of them have strong support systems. Some students adjust well because they have people around them. Others struggle quietly because apparently adulthood came with no user manual. Shocking. Next, I'll open the research questions. These questions may focus on whether social support is related to academic stress and which type of support may have the strongest relationship with stress levels. Now let's check the objectives. The general objective explains the main aim of the study. The specific objectives may include assessing social support, measuring academic stress, and examining the relationship between both. Now I'll open the methodology section. For this topic, the tool may suggest a quantitative cross-sectional design, first-year university students as participants, questionnaires for social support and academic stress, and statistical analysis to examine the relationship. If I want to improve the proposal, I can type Add validated scales. Expand the problem statement. Make this suitable for a psychology or sociology proposal. Or add more recent references. Now I'll open the Reference Manager. This helps organize the sources and citations connected to the proposal. Once I review everything, I can export the document and continue refining it. So this is how you can take a real student life situation and use cited evidence to turn it into a complete academic research proposal.